So Science Night is Orange Coast College's opportunity to give back to the community around us, to bring families and children in to see our campus, see what science and technology is all about, and hopefully get them excited about it so that they'll want to pursue it in the future. We have astronomy, we have geology, we have biology, marine science, we have consumer science, chemistry. Everybody is opening their doors tonight to let people really see a huge variety of science topics, and hopefully everybody will be able to find something that they can get really excited about. It's really important to expose kids to science early on. We want to create the next generation of scientists and engineers and educators. It's great for OCC to be able to show people what college is like, what opportunities there are, and hopefully some of these kids will grow up to become OCC students.